So question number 1. 22 upon 15 pi radians is equal to pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 22 pi 15 radians is equal to 180 degree upon pi into 22 pi upon 15. Pi and pi will cancel. 15 1 the 16. Oh, I'm sorry, 15 1 the 15 2 the 15 2 the 30. And therefore the final answer of Miss Avantika would be equal to
About 264 degrees.
264. 264.
Yeah.
Okay, great. 264. So B is the right answer. Any doubt?
No.
Question 2. Again, 180 degree is equal to pi radians. Therefore, 156 degree is pi upon 180 into 156 radians. This would be equal to Miss Avantika.
Oh, sorry. 13 pi upon 15
Yeah,
radians.
13 pi upon 15 radians. Now I'm in the habit of writing radians like this. You can write it like this. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I noticed the sign.
Doesn't matter. So question number 3. Horse tied to post by a rope. If the horse moves along a circular path, always keeping the rope tight, describes 88 meter when it traces an angle of 72 degrees. Find the length of the rope. Now, see, two basic things that we need to understand. Theta is equal to L by R. Theta is in radians. And the other thing that we need to understand in question like these is which is L and which is R. One thing have you understood? So that is the only small challenge that you will face. So again, the theta L by R is not applicable for degrees. So 72 degrees.
2 pi by 5.
Shabash, shabash. Pi radians 172 degrees would be equal to pi upon 180 into 72, which would be equal to 2 by 5 pi radians. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So 2 pi by 5 is equal to 88 upon r.
Upon R.
Therefore, r is equal to 88
88
pi.
into 5 upon 2 pi.
So what is the answer that you got?
70.
Okay. Because
70
pi,
meters.
yeah, because pi is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7.
Yeah.
So 22 to the 44 to the is equal to 70. The units are in meter, therefore this would be equal to 70.
70 meters.
So 70 meter is the correct answer. Any doubt this one?
No.
Okay, great. So question number 4, pendulum, 14 centimeter long,
Hmm.
oscillates through an angle of 12 degrees.
Hmm.
Then the angle of the path described by the extremities. So what they are asking you is this.
Length of the arc.
Shabash. They are asking you the length of the arc. So again, theta is equal to L by R. Theta would be in radians.
5 by 15 radians.
This is equal to, I'm sorry,
5 by 15 radians. 12
pi
degrees
by 15.
coming to.
Pi by 15 radians. Conversion factor is 180 degree is equal to pi radians. Using basic unitary method, pi upon 180 into 12 is equal to pi upon 15 radians. Pi upon 15 is equal to L by R. R is 14.
14.
L is equal to 14 pi by 15. But we know that pi is 22 by 7. So 7 twos are...
No, in the it's the MCQ stops at 14 pi
Acha,
upon
ठीक है.
15.
Great, 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 great. So they want us to, calculate only 14 by
Hmm.
15 pi. So 14 by 15 pi. This is the
Yeah.
this is the final. D is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
So Avantika, fifth and sixth would be your homework.
Okay.
And when we meet, you are free on Monday.
Monday. Yeah.
Yeah. So when we meet on Monday, basically we'll be starting this part of trigonometry now. So
Okay.
in trigonometry, I'll just give you a gist what we'll be doing. Basically, we'll be uh, there are three main things that we'll be doing. I'm just giving a very broad outline. The first thing that
Hmm.
we'll be doing is we'll be understanding. Remember, we had done negatives of angles. So
Yeah.
we'll understand how to calculate. Basically, we'll be doing questions like. Okay, we'll be doing questions like. Find the value of. Say, find the sine cos tan of 120 degrees. Find the sine cos tan of 225 degrees. Sine cos tan of bigger angles minus 60 degree. So
Okay.
this is the first broad thing that we'll be doing. The second thing that we'll be doing is we'll be understanding how to plot the graphs of sine cos tan. So
Okay.
this is one of the important chunks that we'll be doing. How to plot the graphs of sine cos tan, because we'll be using these in physics. And the third big chunk that we'll be doing is we'll be understanding these will be understanding these identities. So there are three, four identities in maths which are very useful when we are doing physics. So
Okay.
we'll be practicing few identities. There are four or five identities which are very important when we are doing physics. Once we are done with this trigonometry part, so these are the three big chunks that we'll be doing in trigonometry.
Hmm.
We are okay with this. Some time on vectors. Vectors is a small topic.
Hmm.
And once these trigonometry vectors are in place, then we'll be moving on to the differentiation part, differentiation and integration.
Okay.
So let's meet on Monday and just check whether that link of those videos are opening or not. Let me know if...
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay. Okay. Ciao. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.